Hi, so this is just a quick update what I'm working on. So I've started some work on file management. So HelenOS contains a file manager called Navigator, which is very simplistic at this point. So you can use it to browse files and directories. I'll start it here. You can use the mouse, for example, to switch to a different directory, to open a text file, or to start some application. For example, we can start Tetris. If you can find it, yeah. But it was not possible to copy, move, delete files. So I started to work on this. So if I go to some volume where I have enough free space, I can now create a new file, and we can specify the name, for example test.bin, and either we can create an empty file or specify size, for example 100 megabytes. And now it's creating the file, and you can see the progress it's making. So it's a big file. It takes a little bit of time, but not that much. So if we wait, yeah, now it's done. So very nice. We can do a similar thing with the command line. So if you remember, HelenOS has a utility called mkfile, and so we can do 100 megabytes file. But is it doing something? Well, I guess it's doing something, but we don't really know. It's yeah, we don't get any progress updates here. Oh, it's done now. I wonder if wouldn't it be nice if we could get the same nice progress updates on the command line as we get in the Navigator? Yes, we can. So a new file, and it's exactly the same thing. And actually, the code that writes the data and gives the progress updates, it's in a library, so the same code is used as for Navigator, and we don't need to implement the same thing twice. So this new utility should eventually replace the old one. There's still a lot of work, like handling errors and being able to abort the operation while it's in progress, but this is a start. So that's it. That's all I have for today. I'll try to make more of these small updates. So hopefully I'll see you soon.